first way, but I kept that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all.
What's the poppin' with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know by the title what we doing. We're cooking grits and fish, and that's just on period. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And we just gonna get right into it, cause we don't waste no time. First, you start off with your clean fish, of course, and then you season it, do whatever you want to do. Then you put it in flour. I actually put flour in a bag, drop the fish in there, and just shake it. So yeah, and then you get your oil started, of course, because if your oil ain't already heated up and stuff, it's not gonna be ready when you drop the fish in there. But yeah, we just gonna continue watching, period. What you mean? Okay, you guys, I'm gonna clean up, get this stuff off my hands, and come back, and the oil should be done. Now you leave the oil on as long as you want to, as long as it's ready. You know how you check it? You pour a little water, a little bit, not a lot. Just dash a little water and it'll bubble up. But that's how you know when your oil is ready. But I'm gonna go clean up and come right back, and that's just on period. I'm gonna drop my fish in there. So what I do is let it fry 5 minutes each side, and I actually add like 4 minutes just to fry extra, make it get that little crispy look. But yeah, it depends on how you want to do it, but you're supposed to actually fry it for 10 minutes total. So let me give y'all a close up. Here it's frying. What I do is just drop it in there and it starts frying. Outcome, I'm actually doing all of them and recording it, so just stay tuned. Period. I'm gonna flip it in a couple of seconds, but just stay tuned. Period. It's looking good. It's looking good. Okay. Okay, yeah. Actually, just 5 minutes. I'm actually flipping it now. And I'm gonna let this sit for 5 minutes as well, each side, and come back. Including all the seasonings I use for this video, so just stay tuned for that. I'm actually going to cook the fish first and then come back and tell you guys all the seasonings I use, but just stay tuned. Period. Stay ready. I dab it so it can get all the oil off. You don't need a lot of oil at all. That thing looking good. We're gonna add our next batch. That's what we're doing. We're gonna do 5 minutes each side and come back. That's just on period. roll over the fish, so them flies be getting out of hand. But period. When you cook fish, you're supposed to let it sit on a paper towel so the oil can drop on there. But if you like oil and all that, do what you want with it. But you let that thing sit, at least on the little. You let it sit. I'm doing wax paper. I let it sit on wax paper, but I don't know. I mean, do what you want. Tissue, something. But you let the oil drop off the fish. You don't want too much oil, mess up your hearts and stuff. But yeah, I forgot to say, I'm actually cooking tilapia, but they both tilapia. One bigger than the other, okay? That's all I had to say. Now, the fish can be taken out. You see it? Yeah, it's dripping. I'm feeling it. Period. We're just on 5 minutes, you guys. That's what I do. You can do 10 minutes each side, but do what you want, boo. Yeah. Hands up. 5 more minutes, you guys. Where you at? Back, and after I'm finished this batch, I'm actually going to start on a grit. But just stay tuned. Comment down below. Subscribe. Like. Do all that. Period. I'm actually done with the fish, so yeah. So I use original instant grit. I put it in water. It's very self-explanatory. I put it in water, and I'm actually putting it in the microwave. Well, that's how I'm doing my little quick grits, trying to hurry up because I'm hungry. But yeah, that's just, you get the packages, you pour it in, you put water, mix it, then put it in the microwave. Period. And when I'm done, we're going to show you the whole finished look. Period. Okay, I also told you guys I was going to tell you what I put in my fish. This is granulated garlic. I use this just a little. And I use all-purpose seasoning. And flour. That's about it. Mix it up. Dump that thing in there. Period. Okay, guys, once I take it out, I actually start mixing it. And boom, you got you some grit. So I'm actually going to make a plate. You should look, I actually put fish in here. Some nice fish with some grits. And I'm actually going to make me a plate, so not even for to hold you, show you guys, and just stay tuned. This is my plate. I'm actually for to eat right now. The food. Okay guys, I also made my sister a plate. I asked her how it was. She did thumbs up. I said, oh okay, and she did a thumbs up again. So I just asked her, dang, the food was that bad? Then she was like, she appreciated it and she liked it, period. Thank you for watching this video, and that's just on period. Don't forget to leave a comment 1 through 10 on how you think I did, and just come back for more because I will be posting every week. So hope you guys had a great day, but peace.